Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook incorrect password. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. You can see right here in front of you the password you entered is incorrect. So from here we're going to check for that again. And so all we have to do is to click on forgot password. Once we have clicked on forgotten password, we can see the email box, or you can use your mobile number, whichever one that you have opened your Facebook account with, and whichever one that you still have access to. So from here in the email, if I write the same email and then go right here and then click on continue, then it's going to send me a code to my email. So if it said we couldn't find your account, that means that that email doesn't exist or you have not used that. So you can then try using search and by phone number. And so if you click on the search phone number and you enter whatever number and then you click continue, then it's going to send a code. This is how the code is going to look like when you open your inbox or your messages. It's going to be something very similar to this. We're going to just copy it, and then when you go back to the Facebook, you're going to enter that code, and so that is going to allow you to reset your password, and you're going to make sure to enter a password that you're going to remember, and so from that you won't be able to forget it and you will be able to join your account. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.